welcome back. So today I have another haul for you. Yes, so if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, just keep on watching. I'm going to start with, I think I'm gonna start with Target. So I just stopped in there and picked up a couple things. They have some really nice things out right now. They're putting out their Christmas items, so yes, definitely go check them out. So first off, I'm going to start with these slippers. So I got 2 pair of these slippers, and these are both going to be for gifts. But what I really liked about these is they are sparkly, and pretty much they're my favorite colors. These were $5 each. You guys, they also had their mini pillows out, so you know I had to grab one. And so this is the one that I chose. They also had a sequence one that was like a gold color or a rusty gold color. So I picked up the silver because I really like this one. And what I'm going to do is just change this one out for the one that I normally have on my fireplace. Guys, I picked up 2 of these adorable little trees here. And these were $3 each. I plan on using these in my kitchen because these are the colors for my kitchen. And for $3, you just cannot beat the price for these placemats out. So let me just show you the ones that I picked up. These are the disposable ones, and they say gather together with grateful hearts. And I love the pattern on these. I love the color of these. These will be used for Thanksgiving in my kitchen area. And I picked up 2 of these just in case somebody has an accident or something. And if I didn't mention before, those placemats were only $1 each, so that was a super good deal. I also picked up some little turkeys. I don't own any turkeys, but I saw these and I thought, why not? You know what? They're only $3. They have their Halloween stuff on 90% clearance right now. I was able to score a bunch of that stuff. I'm not going to show that right now, but I will show you what I picked up for fall. And so I got this in the 90% off section, a green leaf plate. I thought it was cute. I'm going to be using this again for Thanksgiving this year. I really love that these are, you can heat these up in the microwave. They're dishwasher safe. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use them this year. I got 2 of these and these are like 50 cents. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up from Michael's. A couple of floral arrangements and found a bunch of stuff. Actually, I don't even remember everything that I picked up, but I know I got some really good deals from there. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, guys, look at this. So this was part of their Halloween collection. And so they were 70% off, I want to say. But I think I got this one. I got one for like $4 and one for like $2 or $3. I'm not sure, but so yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you this. Look at this. I think this looks really cute like this. And so what I'm thinking is I'll probably use this with my serving dishes. Well, not with my serving dishes, but decorations around my serving dishes. So I think this will look really cute and festive, especially with the 2. Let me see if I can pick the other one up. Especially with the 2 like that and one being slightly larger than the other one. I think that would look adorable. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so let me just show you some of the picks that I picked up for Christmas. I picked these up here, and again, if I didn't mention, these were 40% off and originally $5.99. So I got 2 of these. All of these are probably gonna be in my powder room this year, so yeah. I got 2 of these. Isn't this beautiful? I love how this looks. So gorgeous. And then I got 2 of these. So, let's see. Yeah, so cute. And I did also get some pine cones. So I got, I think, 3 of these little picks here. And then a few of these here. And these were originally $1.99, and then these were probably $1. Yeah, $1. So yeah, that's how they look. I also picked up these little boxes in my office because these are the colors that I use. I use the gray, the golds, and the whites. So yeah, you can never go wrong with a beautiful box to hide your things in so that your room doesn't look cluttered. So I picked 2 of these up onto Homegoods. Now I went back in there only to see if I could find some more hand towels, and of course I came out of there with like $100 worth of stuff that I didn't even plan on purchasing. But you guys know how Homegoods is. You always see things, and if you see it, you need to buy it because it will not be there if you come back. So let me just show you what I found. down. So I did pick up this pillow right here, and look how gorgeous this is. It is so beautiful. It has like little rhinestones on it and snowflakes, and it's all sparkly. This is so me. Now I really love this one. The only thing was I could only find the one, so I still bought it because if I can't find a second one, these will be the pillows that I'm going to use for the holidays. If not, I'll probably just throw it on my bed because I really do like this one. So yeah, I picked this one up and it was $19.99. Gorgeous sparkly rug for my bathroom. Now this one has some dirt stains on it, but I still bought it because it was the only one. And the manager assured me that I could wash it in my washing machine, and if I couldn't get it to look how I wanted it, I could bring it back for a full refund. So I went ahead and bought this. I don't know if you guys can see the dirt on here, but there is some dirt on here that doesn't look like, you know, it's brand new. So yeah, there's some dirt here. Well, there's just a bunch of dirt on it, and I'm gonna definitely have to wash it before I throw it down on the floor. So yeah, but I love the sparkles in this. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but look at that. Oh my goodness. So you guys, I don't even know what's in this bag right here. I'm so bad like that. I'll buy stuff and forget. But anyway, so, okay. Alright, so I did pick up this one Ray Dunn bowl, and it says Bon Appetit. You guys know that I'm growing my collection of bowls, so I went ahead and picked it up, and this one was on clearance for $4. And so these are going to be presents also. Now these are little cat bowls, and they say spoiled on them, but I think they would look cute even if you wanted to use these as like a trinket bowl or something to put your little rings and stuff like that in. How cute are these? Now finally on to the towels that I actually went into the store to pick up. I did find 2 sets of towels. One is going to be for the Christmas holiday, and one's going to be after Christmas. So I picked up these with the snowflakes on these. Oh my goodness, can you guys see these? How beautiful are these towels? I love these. The sparkle is just so me. I love it. I love it. So I had to pick these up. I love the glam of it. It's just so me. And then I got these. I could not resist these. Look at these. Oh my goodness, I just love these towels. So again, these are going to be for after Christmas. I wish that they had another set like this, but this was sadly the only set that they had. But look how gorgeous. And guys, these were $12.99. A little pricey in my opinion, but still worth it because it's just alright guys, so that is all that I picked up. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this haul. If you have, please give this video a big huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.